Hi guys, this is Dean. Welcome to my another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna use our printing machine GS105HS to sublimate these 5 products. Thanks to RAM lock system, a quick change system, we can use different lower platinums to sublimate and print different blanks. And moreover, the lower platinums right here you see, all can be fit our printing machine like GS105HS, GS803, GS303 and GS605. Next, I'm gonna use dear 4 inches lower platinum to sublimate sequin coin bag. Then I'm gonna use 6 by 6 inches lower platinum to sublimate sequin kids lunch bag here. In the end, I'm gonna use 8 by 10 inches lower platinum to sublimate Easter basket, sequin backpack, and white linen jewel bag. Okay guys, let's get it. Alright guys, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. See you next time.